Here we are.
What are we doing, man? What are we doing today?
We're replacing my stock headlights with LED halo headlights.
So yeah, little quick surprise. Fucking Mike got new headlights, so yeah, a lot quicker than expected.
3 days later.
So I guess yeah, we're gonna tackle this shit today. And,
this is the easy part.
Yeah, we're just taking out these plastic shits, which as of now I guess isn't a big deal, but
Where's the 10mm?
gone.
Yeah, it is. Oh, you closed it back up.
God damn it. Alright.
We need like a special camera. Let's hire your sick cousin.
I know. I don't understand why right there. Why right there? There's not even a vent.
What? Oh, yeah.
Like, I don't understand. Why isn't it, like, in the grill?
Why aren't you in the grill?
Mine's in the grill. Can we rip her off yet?
Oh, you want to try to get those side ones?
Yeah, I guess. Oh, they're fucking 8s. Fuck. Still have not found one. There's one hiding. Fuck, usually Miko's comes out in the morning and like the midday. We'll see. We'll see about that.
We're doing pretty well. I haven't broken anything.
Well, I'm
Yeah.
having struggles. This fucker's just not coming out.
How's it going, Alex? Is this 60 FPS?
Probably.
Jesus, that is in a bad spot.
It's just not doing anything.
Alright, so I got all the top ones off, so it's loose up here. I am currently working on the bottom ones. All these along the bottom front, but we need to jack the car up because it's so dirt nasty low.
That good dirt nasty low.
Wait, peek your head around again.
Face.
Your head just like coming out of my car.
Yeah, I guess we can. I just
Alright.
need to try to figure this out.
We'll be back. We're back. Jacking her up.
Fucking breaking shit.
Wait, what?
Oh, I think I fucking jacked her up right where this should probably be.
Mr.
You
Mechanic.
see this? Well,
Yeah,
because
you
that's
are.
where you're supposed to jack it, so I went to jack it, and not thinking that you know what, that's gonna need to be there.
Does it have to be?
I mean, unless if you don't want any fucking holes going through your shit. I don't trust it. Well, maybe we can just have it jacked up on this side for now, and then we can work on the other side when. Might as well just work on this one.
Oh god, I just turned my wheel.
It's also a screwdriver.
Oh yeah, it is. There you go.
Sometimes it's better to go back.
Well, I didn't even see that had that. Oh yeah, dude. Yeah, you did.
I don't understand why this one's giving us shit. Unless if you've taken it out before and you've stripped it.
No, I haven't. I haven't even touched it.
Alright.
Left already stripped. Yeah, it's not going anywhere.
I don't want to like use the wrong tool, but
Word, what up? This your boy Mike. I've gotten all these undone, except for this middle one. 10mm, I think. And so the fog light housing, the fog light, it's undone. Not that one yet. Yeah, it's like the worst possible headlight installation video. So now I'm gonna do this. Ow, fuck. Ow. Unless the, car falls on my face. Ow. Jesus. Fuck it. Hold on.
Are you struggling, buddy? This is fucking bullshit.
It's script.
Bullshit. Yeah. This is fucking fantastic.
We're about to be just waiting on you, buddy.
Yeah, I know.
We as in, you know, me and all my 100,000 viewers. Come on. Let's hit 5 million subscribers, guys.
Share it, like it, share it.
Like it, share it.
Kill yourself for it.
Everything's out except for this and this one right here. So I'm waiting for him. We got Dennis Moles over here.
So we
That
got a
good
little
cold
pair of
coffee.
vice grips, and so we're gonna try to just fucking rip her out.
Here we are.
Basically. Because we just need downward force.
Yeah, and you can't get from it up here because it's in the wheel though.
It might not sound pretty, but... So we're trying to get to screws that are somewhere in this facility.
Oh, I think I see them. Hold on.
At first we thought we were gonna have to go up and under. We might be able to go get them around the side. But either way, it's gonna be a bitch and a half. Just because, you know, the situation.
I don't know how you're supposed to get those out though.
Yeah. Small ass hands, I guess. I guess that's where I come in. Fuck. Hopefully this side will be a million times easier.
The washer fluid's not there. It might be easier to turn the wheel though.
Yeah. It's somewhere there. But, yep. Yep. All for the headlights. All for the headlights. If we were doing my Volvo, nope. Unplug this and you're good.
Alright, so this is loose. I don't know how the fuck we're supposed to... Hold on.
Oh.
Yeah, we got this, dude.
Oh shit. I'll hold it just so there's no extra stress. Uh-oh, what's up?
Oh, it just needs to come up.
Oh.
Yep, no, that's good.
Oh, this is nuts, dude. What?
It's zip tied.
Is it really? Yeah, it fucking is. There's a X-Acto knife right here.
This?
No. Not an X-Acto, but you know what I mean. Box cutter.
Does that mean we're gonna need another zip tie?
I don't know. I don't know why there is a zip tie. This side's like off.
Hold it? Are you holding it?
Yes. Is everything unplugged?
No.
No.
This thing, you're right. I don't know what
True.
fuck it is. I don't know how to unplug
Oh
it.
no. Oh no, please. Oh no. That's yeah, that's gonna be an issue. Literally a clip. Or, I unplugged it, but it's not the right piece to unplug. Yeah. Alright, so we just took the frickin' bumper off. So this was actually the mount. I did unplug it. You can probably just plug it right back in. But this goes like right, there's, you know, this thing here. And it's literally like just attached by like clamps. So this is where the main event comes into play.
Hold on.
getting these bad boys out and installing those.
Because oh yeah, see that clip's broken.
Yeah. True.
I don't want to do anything else while it's this exposed too.
Yeah, right. Is there?
We could redo
Change out your radiator. Holy shit. That's crazy. Yeah, we did. Alright, you want to do that one? That one's over the out.
So it's this.
It's
this.
I'm guessing that guy, that
10
guy.
millimeter. That might be it.
It might be. Sometimes, yeah. Maybe that. Attached though. But maybe
I think
not.
it's this.
Oh, no, you know what? It's
Right
a
here.
clamp. Yeah. Looking to see if... Yeah, see that clamp right there, that's where that goes. Is right there.
I need a 10 millimeter.
Oh, that's not on. Uh-oh. Gone. Dead. That's right here. Oh, dude. Yeah, we fucking are. This is like the biggest project we've ever done.
So this has to be it then, right?
Yeah.
See if you can unplug it.
There's like a little clamp here.
Yeah, there you go. I just didn't have a good angle.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, great.
Oh, there's this clamp.
Oh.
That is a light.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in fucking business. Yeah, I guess it's light installing time, bud. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Like right there. Hopefully. That's funny looking. No bumper, no headlight, no nothing. Faceless. That's crazy. I would take you out to lunch after this, but I'm fucking dirt broke. Alright, you ready, dude?
Hold on.
Yeah, make sure it's in there. Sounded like it clamped.
Wait, what?
Hey,
This one
what?
right there. It's like off.
Yeah. Fucking Besson. Hold up. It's in the clamp. Looks like it can move over a bit. Yep, there we go. There we go. I don't know if that's a good sound or a bad sound. Sounds good.
Hold this for a second. Just don't let go.
Yeah.
It needs to be like, hold on.
Still not like 100% lined up though. I don't know. These clamps look like they could move over a bit.
Can you hear me the screwdriver behind you? It's like right behind you.
Whoa! Straight up. Fuck.
Can I like test it?
Yeah. You need to plug it in first though.
No. Alright. I need you to go away. I'm looking at it first.
Okay. Yeah, I want to see your reaction.
You can have two different headlights, right? It's not gonna blow up.
I don't know. It shouldn't. I don't know. Oh, true.
Oh, it works, dude.
Oh,
It works.
not much of a reaction, but all right.
You have to wait till night to see it though.
Oh, I know. Fuck. We should probably finish screwing them in first, though.
fucking Christ, dude.
That's amazing. Alright. Light 2. I won't film this one just because, but fuck yeah, dude.
We'll be back.
We'll be back with it. Hopefully, maybe we can get a little snippet of the bumper installation.
Fuck that, they don't want to see that.
Yeah. But, pretty much that's it. Until next time. What? What are you saying?
You want to unpackage that other light?
No, I don't. Alright, till next time, guys. Peace!